everyone, my name is Fabrizio Livani. I'm an Italian drummer, but living in Australia. Now is 8 years living in Melbourne. I'm here to talk about these amazing drumsticks, but first I would like to say thank you so much to Collision Drumsticks to having me on board as an endorser and trust me or what I'm doing, what I propose, what I show to Collision Drumsticks, what I'm doing around the kit, mostly drums track recording and live gigs with the band as I'm a session musician here in Australia. It was April this year. I was in a moment where thinking about to change brand or drumsticks, and I found Collision Drumsticks through Instagram, and their page make me curious about it. I just ordered a couple of pairs with 5 B-sides, and since they arrived I started using straight away for my live gigs with bands and drums cover recording. I found them very versatile because I'm a session drummer, so I can get the call from blues band, indie rock band and or other difference. I found them very versatile for any kind of music, and of course 5B is a really big punch, which I like it for a drummer like me who normally use rim shot. So about the weight, I'm really happy because this type of 5B it's like average, no heavy, no light, so good for my hands. And because usually when of course you're gonna play blues, so I'm gonna use maybe 5A, yeah? But actually they make my life very easy, so sticking to 5 B-sides, and that was it. Other than that, I'm very happy for what Collision Drumstick welcomed me on board, and they appreciate what I'm doing as the drums cover I sent to them, and we both happy, and hopefully we can get along as long as we can. I'm gonna play a new drum cover today with these amazing drumsticks, and again I would 100% recommend any drummers who's thinking about to change brand, try Collisions, you won't disappoint.
3, 2, 1.